I'm cooking today, and we're doing a pasta bar. If I got that in a restaurant, I would not be impressed. It's scrumptious. You're welcome.
Damn, girl.
Somebody assumed that we had tomato sauce, and we don't. So I have to make my own tomato sauce with, that's French, crushed tomatoes. That's just great. Yeah, so I'm gonna do lentils, make tomato sauce, boil pasta, get some ingredients to go on the pasta, maybe like some broccoli, some other stuff. I don't know if this is bad intro. I don't know what Dad normally does. And we're gonna use brown rice pasta because it's the only pasta we have in our house that's gluten-free. Except for pasta shells, but I don't think we're gonna do pasta shells tonight. If you hear noise in the background, don't worry. It's Ephraim's. He's got a high school thing for universities and colleges and stuff. Just a Zoom call. It might be a bit loud, but we're gonna work through it. It's gonna be okay. Father is gonna use that editing skills to the max. So the lentils just finished. Cue video of lentils, Dad. We're gonna boil the pasta and then figure out how to do the tomato sauce. So let's do that. I think, what do they put in tomato sauce? Now we gotta look this up. Okay.
Part of it will just be cooking it down to top to liquidy.
Dad.
Just trying to help.
I don't want your help. What spices are in spaghettis? Basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, parsley, and garlic. Honestly, I'm just gonna do to taste, but obviously if you have tomato sauce, please use that. You do not need to make your own. We're just doing this because somebody thought we had tomato sauce. I hope he heard that because it was him. Rice, brown rice, spinach powder, and water. No wonder it's green. Okay. Is it not gonna tell me? Oh, okay. Put on 15 to 16 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do this while I cook the sauce then, because yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna put a pot on to boil, and then we'll put this in. Dad, should I do the whole pack of pasta?
Yes.
Big pot? Father!
That?
Big pot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fill it with more water and salt it a little bit, right?
Yeah, obviously. It's cooking. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, that's a lot. Making sauce, cooking pasta. I'm gonna try it to see what it tastes like. And I don't know if I said this earlier, but you sort of have to do it to taste because, some people like salty stuff, some people don't like salty stuff. I didn't measure. I mean, if I got that in a restaurant, I would not be impressed. I'd be like, I could do this at home. If I wanted to eat this, I would have gone home and made it myself. I just added more garlic powder. But, for making this out of freaking crushed tomatoes, it's not that bad. Because I remember trying it at the beginning. I was like, oh, hell nah. I'm not putting this in my mouth. Okay, so you know how earlier I looked up how much, like what has rosemary? What's rosemary? Should I try it with a noodle? These noodles are 6 minutes away from being done, so it's gonna be a crunchy noodle, but I'll survive. Oh, I just want one noodle, not 20. Oh, I got one. Do you see this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is so good. This is good. It's just on its own. It's just like, what the hell am I making? What is this? On its own, it's like, are we really gonna put this in my mouth? But with the pasta, it's like, I want more. Also, you can add like cheese, like diet cheese, like vegan cheese, whatever, to your taste. But again, don't make this just because we're making it from scratch. You can. The force, I did not add thyme. Does not smell good. Don't want it. I had oregano, basil, garlic powder. The ones I used most of were basil and garlic powder. Just start with a little bit because you never want to add too much and then be like, what is that? Why does it taste like that? Because let me just tell you. Oh, I have so much left in this thing. I don't know. This nasty before. Just nasty. All the spices. So scrumptious. Also, if you're convinced your sauce is too thick, pasta water into your sauce. Don't just get water from the tap. It's so good. Get you some pasta water. Thinned it out. You're welcome. Let's make the bar part. We got about 30 seconds until the pasta's done. We shall try it. It's scrumptious. Velma, don't do it. I'm watching you. Velma. Ready? Watch this sneak. Ooh. Do you have to... Dad?
Yeah.
Do you have to rinse off gluten-free pasta?
Oh, the gluten-free pasta? Yeah, I would rinse it.
But this is like the spinach.
Yeah, I don't know actually.
I'm gonna rinse it. But you have to rinse gluten-free pasta. Otherwise it clumps together. My hands are clean. Don't worry. Is this enough pasta for 4 people? Do you have to wash mushrooms?
Yeah, just rinse them quickly.
Okay. Take the back some of the dirt. Is this enough mushrooms for them? How many mushrooms do they eat? Big bags? Mushroom big bags. Anyways.
We have spotted a rare sight of Annie trying a mushroom.
No. Oh, no. Oh, that's way better. Someone's gonna have a mushroom that I bit. 5 minutes. Because I don't know how long it needs. So, if it needs more, I'll just give it more. You see the vibe? Yeah. I'm gonna cut up some broccoli. Then, boil broccoli. Swing round camera shot. How long do you have to boil broccoli for? I still taste the mushroom. What the heck? Am I supposed... Is it supposed to, like, dip into that? Watch this, he's gonna tell me that it needs to be a bigger pot. Ready? Listen. Dad, when you boil broccoli, is it supposed to look like this?
You can just put it in with the pasta for the last 2 minutes.
Well, too late. I already did the pasta.
I mean, it's supposed to look like that. There's
Is
nothing
it supposed
there.
to be water in the bottom?
No, you should get rid of that. You're steaming it.
So, because I thought, can you hold it still?
Use a bigger pot.
Like that?
Use a bigger pot.
No, I don't have a bigger pot.
You won't be able to steam it because it's going to have the holes in the side. Use a bigger pot. We have like tons of big pots.
Knew you were in
You
time.
should have put the...
What did I say? I'm going to try one. Ta-da.
How are the lentils cooked?
I didn't try them.
We didn't try them? I'm mostly curious how this pasta tastes because we actually haven't tried this yet.
Or the sauce?
Oh, yeah, because you made the sauce. Let me just try the sauce on its own. Damn, girl. That's good.
You good?
What'd you do with the sauce? That tastes like tomato sauce from a jar.
My secret.
Did you actually make that from scratch?
Yes. Do you want to see the tin? It's in there.
It's really good, Annie. Mmm.
Can you just make your own sauce from now on? Because I don't like the stuff in the store.
Yeah, you're in charge of sauce from now on. I want more sauce.
Don't eat all. I want some sauce.
That sauce is fire. It's so good, Annie. My only suggestion I would say for the sauce is you could have added like just like a little bit of like maple syrup or something.
I thought it was already sweet enough.
Well, and it's not about making it sweet. It's to cut the acidity. That's why you add sugar to tomato sauce. It's to cut the acidity that comes from the tomatoes. But I don't mind it like this. I like it. But for somebody else, this is fire, Annie. You did great.
Okay.
You can make dinner every night.
I did pretty good. I think I should cook more.
I think you should cook more too.
This is the best pasta bar I've ever had.
All right, Annie's gonna start cooking in the videos.
I think I was whispering a lot about the mushrooms. And how much I hated mushrooms.
So if you were to make this again, what would you do to improve it?
The maple syrup thing that you said.
You don't need a lot, like a teaspoon.
Because it's acidic.
Yeah. You don't need
I
a
don't
lot.
think Mom would like this because it's too acidic.
Yeah, you don't need very much though.
So maybe we could add maple syrup for her.
Good job, Annie.
Mm-hmm.
That your pasta dance?
No oil.